These 3 audiobooks will turn you from a losing trader into a winner. Let's get into it. Hello and welcome, my name is Jacob, this is TradeHappy, a platform for traders around the world to be happy and consistently profitable. Remember to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button if you're new, and comment below what made you click on this video. Okay, so this is a good one today. Today we are talking about how you guys can go from losing traders to winning traders. If I listened to these audiobooks when I started trading, it would have made it a much easier job. Make sure you watch until the end, you don't want to miss any of the audiobooks. There's a bonus at the end as well, so make sure you stick around. So the first audiobook that I can recommend to you guys to go from a losing trader into a winning trader is Trading in the Zone. Now this is an audiobook mainly based on psychology. You're not going to see any strategies in there, you're not going to see any Fibonacci or RSI or MACD. You're just not going to get it. It's purely psychology, and it's purely something that a new trader needs to listen to make sure that they can develop that psychological mentality towards trading that can turn you from a losing trader into a winner. The next one is The Daily Trading Coach. Now, this is a book that I listened to recently, and it's more for the intermediate trader, I would say, because it's something where you've already got that strategy in place and you've already got that kind of base of psychology that most traders have. And it's talking about how you can take that trading to the next level. And it's how you can become your own trading coach without needing all of the fancy kind of equipment or the psychologist or the kind of, it's bringing professional trading to the retail traders, and it's something that I would recommend most traders, if you are losing, to check out. The next one is more based at stock trading, but Forex traders can learn from it as well, and it's One Good Trade. Now this is a book that I listened to quite early in my trading journey, and I don't think I quite understood what was really going on. So depending on where you are in your trading career, it might be worth putting this one off till later on once you've listened to these other ones, just because it's got quite high level, more advanced psychological trading in there. Advanced might be the wrong word, but it's something that requires you to have an understanding of the markets in the first place. So those are the 3 trading audiobooks that I would recommend to any trader that is currently losing money in the markets, and how they can go from winning to losing. I've got a bonus here, one for you. It was too good to really miss off the list, and I didn't want to say 4 trading books because that's a bit strange. Number 4 is Trading for a Living. Now it kind of says it in the title, so make sure you check that one out. Of course you've got to have the base of the other 3 books first, so I'd probably listen to that one last. So make sure that you check out those books because they're really, really good, and if you're looking to take your trading to the next level, it should be something that you should consider. So I hope you've enjoyed the video today. If you did, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, comment below if you've listened to any of those audiobooks, and I'll see you in the next one.